Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast near the Colosseum area in Rome and the Roman Forum. You can see down here lots of older structures, people walking inside, buildings in the back. The bells were just ringing. Pretty busy out here, lots of people walking. You can see some older structures, ruins perhaps. Up ahead you can see chariots in the sky, riders with wings, and some larger buildings across above. Down below, see some flowers blooming, areas that are being reconstructed. Basilica de Cosma Damino. So there's some older temples, I believe, in this area that became Christianized over time. See some pillars up ahead as we get closer to the chariots in the sky. See some archways on the bottom, different areas to walk through. Lots of buses coming by. On the other side, see some of these buildings that are being reconstructed. With the fall of the Roman Empire, a lot of these buildings were buried, a lot of the ruins were buried. See some stones at the bottom with identifying markers. Can't read them from this far away. More ruins at the bottom. You see some construction in the back and closer to these chariots in the sky. On the other side, lots of other tourists. Some tickets. This area you can buy tickets and get to certain areas, or just walk for free. See some lines up ahead, ticketed areas to walk inside, or just go around. So a nice view once again of the bottom, all the flowers, all the rocks. Others taking some photos. Tour guides, see big flags. Get another view of the grounds from here. Looking nice. Different areas. Really cool view from up top. A lot more people walking through and a crane moving some items throughout. Older areas of the forum. See up ahead on a post some arts showing pictures of perhaps men on the side of that forum. Another view of down below, you get the 360 view. With this Insta360 camera, you see some more structures towards the back. Lots of taller areas where people are getting the views from. Pathways down below, some bridges. Walk across the more sensitive area. View of above to down below. Lots of pathways on the bottom. Some more pillars towards the back. You can see still standing, partially standing. Some of the temples up ahead. See the roofs up ahead. It's being reconstructed. Statues on the bottom, across the street. Another view this side, getting closer to the religious buildings. Up ahead, more pillars down below. Nice, lots of walkways where you can experience the past, get a better view. See an archway of pillars up ahead. And the crane moving things through. See here, Forum of Caesar, 11th, 13th century. So they're trying to reconstruct some of this. Reconstruction in the 20th century on the sign. The history of Caesar's Forum begins in 54 BC. The new walkways down below. Lots of pillars. See a sign here. Caesar's Forum. Nice views. Continuing ahead, see more of the Caesar's Forum signs. See down below some newer benches, some of the pillars, marble, granite, some more designs on this side, some that survived, and the pillars forming a bit of an archway. Further, you can see the bricks, some structures, and another statue up ahead, which might be Caesar. See the other side of it. There he is. Looks like Caesar indeed. A wreath on the bottom, some flowers. On this side, closer to this 3-pillar structure. Really nice. Getting closer. Justin Vakula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.